So here's our beginning of our major storm, as Matt Lauer would say. Where the hell is Matt Lauer anyways? Where in the world is Matt Lauer? But this is supposed to be our major storm, major storm, as he would say this morning, and it's just starting. Friday afternoon, it's about 8 o'clock-ish in the morning, and you're getting your full weather report from where in the hell is the outlaw. Here's your report from local outlaw. Well, this is how our storm turned out so far. It's only 12 o'clock. I think I took you guys out at 8 o'clock this morning at the house. So in 4 hours, this is what we've got. Roads are definitely covered, without a doubt. They've been out on the main highways, but we're out on the back road right now, looking for a new place to rest our head. Trying to find a new house. Been looking at a few of them. When I find the right one, I'll definitely let you guys know. But the other house just fell through. Fell through, guys. All the money and stuff I put into it and stuff, and the land contract that he had wrote out didn't work out in our favor, and I wasn't signing it, not in them terms, and it's a long story, but things are still processing and going through court right now to explain to some of you guys, so I really can't get into the details right now. All I can say is things didn't work out, and we'll talk about that again another day when we get settled in a new place. See, I'm looking for old houses like that. That house is just like empty right there. I'm gonna go back and check that one out, but I'm looking for this old house, guys. This old house that we can transform into something we want, and I don't ever have to move again, you know? That's what I wanted with this other one, but it just didn't work out, so we'll find it. Look, there's a nice log cabin right there. But there's places all over here, just gotta look. So, but anyways, I'm gonna put this camera down and turn my truck around and go look at that house back there. We're approaching the stop sign up here. I'm gonna whip it around and go take a look at that old house. Yeah. They're hauling ass. State troopers first, now the sheriffs. Yeah, and it's somewhere here in Williamston, because Williamston just fire monitors just went off, or the sirens just went off. So, alright, I'm recording here. I had to pull over. The fire truck's going by me. Oh, it's an ambulance. It's Williamson ambulance. Oh, that way you had to go to work early? It's right here in front of Spencer Speedway, whatever it is. The ambulance is pulled over. All the cops are up here. See if I can get a quick little video here of what the hell. Oh, he's way down in the ditch. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm watching oh, they got a baby and stuff. Oh, oh wow. Hit a tree. It's a black van. Some lady and a little girl hit the back of a looks like the back of a car carrier, 18-wheeler car carrier. Well, the reason I turned around back there on Pound Road was Maida just went on lunch, and I came back to Ontario to come see her at work. So now I'm headed back home again, and it's getting worse out, guys. Getting really bad out. I'll be posting this video for you guys later on tonight. So I'll post another one tomorrow to show you what the aftermath of it is, or if it ended by then. But yeah, we're hit really hard here in upstate New York right now. Unreal. This is our blizzard of 2013, I guess. This is the worst one yet so far. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oops, oops. Let this Escalade go by us. This Cadillac. Alright guys, I'm going to pay attention to the road and see what else we're coming from. Yeah. Oh yeah. Getting a little slippery changing lanes here. Wonder if that's what that lady was doing up here when she went into the ditch. Was changing lanes or something. That's the worst part of driving in the snow. Is when you get out of your grooves here. You go to change lanes. It's and you're at any kind of a speed over 30, really, you're got a potential of losing it. And when I mean losing it, you're either going to hit the retaining wall or you're going to hit the ditch. That's what's going to happen. I can't even get traction here, and I'm in a groove, just kicking up tread. So yeah, okay, we'll be headed back this way. About a 12-mile round trip. We'll pick up later. I don't want her driving in this. We'll go back when the storm's over and pick up her car. Not a big deal. At least the truck's got four-wheel drive. We'll find out and see what it looks like when time comes. Rolling up on the accident now. I don't know if they're still up here or not. I'm going to put this heater back on because my window's starting to ice back up here. Got my defrost and stuff on. Starting to ice up. Barely see them lights, the cop cars up here. Barely see them. Still up here from earlier. Medical unit. Oh, man's still down in there. I didn't get the van out yet. Just setting up some road flares. The sheriff is. 2 ambulances left out of here. Emergency medical unit. And I made it home. Got a few more inches. I did the driveway already once. Doesn't even look like I did the driveway. Gotta shovel this out to go with the camera. Works good though. Early morning driving and a foot of snow. Gotta love it. That's probably about 6 inches after last night when I got done plowing. I think altogether we might have got a foot or so. But you think they'd plow this a little bit better, huh? If I didn't have four-wheel drive, I'd sort of be screwed. It's like driving Wild Alaska or something. Yeah, I can click out a four-wheel now. A plow guy. One plow guy. There's usually 2 or 3 working 104. There's one. They do this in rows with 2 or 3 snow plows, and there's one this morning. That's horrific because the other guys probably didn't want to get up. Yeah, just coming through Ontario until 4 o'clock exactly. Just hit a double roll plow coming down through here. So they got this area cleaned up pretty good. Pretty good. We have greenage. Come on, baby, get going. That's your window clean for you guys. Well, get up back up here to these unplowed roads to try to see if I can make it home. This is the main highway here, going from town to town, Route 104. We're just scooping through Ontario, just past 350. Well, we finally caught up to them plows. Now we're riding right behind them. I grabbed the only left lane here, just so I can get the video. Not trying to be a fool to anybody else. I'm following that lane, but two plows breaking their way through down Route 104, and we are still riding between Ontario and Williamson, just coming up to Fisher Road. Looks like gonna hang a lefty Louie up here. Gonna break up. They're both turning. They're gonna make their loop around to go do back that little stretch. It's Ontario Highway Department, it looks like, and then they got a Williamson Highway Department. Nice job, guys. Thanks for the little bit of clearage. Now we're off on our own. Woo, and we're kicked to the sideways already. Right after it got off the road they were just doing, instant brake loose. Now we're on our own, trying to make our way through this darkness. It's scary. I don't know if I'll make it home or not. It's scary. Yep, almost in town here, boys and girls. That's what makes people nervous when you go by them. But you know what? This lane is so much clearer than that lane. It's not even funny. We're just gonna keep on trucking. Not slowing down for this guy. Because he wants to inch his way up into town. Alright, just getting off 104, just coming up on Pound Road in Williamson. And hopefully they plowed my road. Dude, are you kidding me or what? Look at this crap. Oh my god. How do you expect me to get onto my road off from this? You ready for this crap? And right now I am stuck. We're stuck, guys. Four-wheel drive. Man, I tell you, for people that don't have four-wheel drive, they're sort of screwed here. I'm telling you. That's why I took Ida to work this morning, guys, because she does really good in the snow. Don't get me wrong, but when there's this much snow out here, she's only got two-wheel drive, you know, so somebody's got to jump to the plate and take her to work. Be there for 4 o'clock in the morning, so we had to be up at 3 this morning to accomplish this task. Gotta love it, right? This is only Old Ridge Road. You know, I don't live out in the boonies or anything. I'm still in town here. Just think about the people that ain't in town. If they haven't got the town roads plowed yet, just think about the people that live outside of town. Yeah. We're coming up on my road right now. I mean my house. I had to get out this morning. There's all the fiddle fucking around I did. Oh yeah. How you like that for some scenery, huh? All you need to come out in the morning to get in your car to go to work. And it looks like that. Just curious, or you know, down south, you know, you come out of your front house porch and say, oh yeah, I want to head out there this morning to get my car to go to work, and you got a foot of snow on it. Yeah, that's what we got out of our little storm, guys. I call it little because when I was younger, in the 70s. This was a walk through the park, to be honest with you. Grab my goodies here, my funds. Oops. My locks froze. Beautiful. Alright, guys. Let's go for a walk. It's dark out here. Oh, shoots. Show my light out here. I think I remembered that. Yep. 5 o'clock in the morning. Actually, it's only 4 o'clock in the morning. 4 a.m. and freaking snow up the air. Heidi had to get her apron out of there this morning. She couldn't get her other passenger side door open. I snow blowed a path out here. That thing works good too. I like it. Our icicles hanging already. I bet you the dogs are gonna start barking in about 2 seconds. Hello? They know it's me. Yep, security cameras. Hi guys. Daddy's back. Stay back. Hey, there goes a plow down my road. I've been home for about 15 minutes. The light went out already. That stays on for 10 minutes, so it's been out for about 5 minutes, I guess. My security light there. It clicked on when we walked in. So let's see if I can catch him on the way through, see how much he throws back in my driveway. Because I still gotta go clean this mess up. I'm right on here. No! Snow! You gotta be silly this hour in the morning with this much snow out there. I hear him over the corner. Coming back this way now. Fixing to bury our driveway in. Finally open our road up. I guess not everybody. Hey, look at it. He went by. He tripped my. All the snow flew into the driveway from the plow, but it tripped my light on. Wow. Unreal, guys. I still gotta go clean this mess up, and it's still coming down, as you can see. Look at it. It's still falling. What the hell? You can stop already. So, that's what it looks like. I know you guys probably ain't seen me in a while. It's been a long winter and long hair. Time to get over and see Jessica McNeely from Woody's Blackjack Racing and get me a haircut, huh? But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed checking out the snow. It is actually almost now 20 to 5 a.m. and I'm going to post this video for you guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Happy Saturday.